Hi, in this video I will show how to use app for converting XML files to LaTeX tables. This is a file I will be using for conversion. You can see it opens into Internet Explorer, and it has hierarchical structure. It has like address records with first name, last name tags. I can show you, I have a different app just for viewing XML files as a tables, and I can show it to you what it looks like in this viewer. It's a free app. I'll leave a link on this app too. So basically it will flatten XML structure into table, and I can export the table into different formats. But for my LaTeX table, I want this XML to be presented as these tables, maybe with not all fields in there I need, but some of fields are needed. So this is what I will be doing in this video. Now, in order to download and install app, I will go on this site. This is my website. I will leave link on the site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type LaTeX, and we'll go to LaTeX table page, and here I need XML to table. So I'll click on download to start downloading process, and download archive on my local computer, and wait until archive will be downloaded. Then click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI to open it, double click on MSI inside archive. Start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes on the screen, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed, XML to LaTeX table on my local computer. Now I can close this, and I can close this. You can see I have an overleaf open. I will be testing my LaTeX file into this overleaf to make sure that app creates a table with all data in it. So I can minimize this for now. I will double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, conversion is 3 steps process. Step 1, we are selecting file. I will click on this button to select file. I will specify my address XML file here. Then click open and click on next step. On next step, I will have to select columns I want to be in LaTeX. So for example, I want to be first name, last name, organization, and job title. Okay, and maybe email. And then I will click on next step. Excuse me. And on final step, I'll just click run to start conversion, and it will ask me to for file name and file location, documents, and this file name is okay. Just click save, and it saves this file. Now I will go to overleaf, and I will upload this file to overleaf. I'll click on upload button and then select from my computer, and then this is my XML to LaTeX table, and just click on table and click on recompile, and we will have to have our XML as a table. You can see that it's not good, so I have to do a little job to change it, because it copies all paths from XML, and I want to be it's a little bit shorter. So I'll put first name, maybe change column to last name, second column, then organization, and then maybe job title, right? Job title and email. Then click on recompile, see how it looks. Looks better, but I definitely need the organization and job title and email a little wider, so I will go. It's hard to predict what the width of this. So let's put it like, let's put 7 on emails maybe, and then 7, let's put 7 on 3 last columns and see how it looks like. Click on recompile. It looks better. Organization probably need more. It's third column, let's put 10 for organization. Click on recompile to see how it looks. Yeah, and a little maybe more on email. So it's like 7, last one, right? So let's put recompile. Perfect. And yeah, we converted our test XML file into LaTeX tables with all data in it. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Let me know if you converted your XML file and how did it go. Thank you.